Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is trying to help somebody run a job faster, save some laser time. Two ways you could do this, and he kind of mentioned this. I don't know that it's going to help. This is pretty big. It's like 24 inches. You could hold down the Shift key and select a group of numbers that are kind of like on top of each other. And then when you go to your print driver, and I need to change this to a laser and change this to my laser size. I don't ever use this laptop for this. And then you could hit selected, and it's only going to engrave those numbers. And then make that job 1, which it will be, and then take the next round of numbers. And so then you'd have 3 jobs, or maybe 4. And then same thing, go up to print. I need to talk to one of my mentors on how to get this thing better. And then hit selected, and there's your next batch of numbers. Now I would do a test to see if that's any quicker. And then I was looking at the photo you sent me, and you're just engraving an outline of a text. I blotted this out so it wouldn't infringe on the people you're doing it for. Looks like you're just doing an outline. Well, if you're going to do that, you could pick a font, pick the same font. Let's just start over and type out 24. And this is what you would engrave, but you're just engraving the outside, so you have no fill. And then you've got an outline, and you've got the outline bigger than a hairline, so it'll engrave. Well, if you make it a hairline, you could vector engrave this, and you could do the whole sheet at one time. It would do it really, really fast, because, you know, if it cuts, excuse my crude drawing on my tree, if it takes, you know, if you cut the plywood at 100 power and 10 speed, you could vector engrave these at 100 power and 60 speed, and it'll do the same look that you're getting right there. And also, I'd run on a scrap piece of plywood, then take your laser out of focus about 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch, and it'll give you a thicker line, but it'll still look pretty good. And that would cut your lasering time down to like 5% of the time. You know, you're going to do it in 5% of the time, or even quicker than that. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.